This project has been prepared and released by the Tatar Book Publishing House for the 135th anniversary of the outstanding Tatar poet, literary critic, publicist, translator, founder of the Tatar literature, founder of the modern Tatar language, Gabdullы Tукая. The book presents the most popular poetry and poems of the great classic, as well as his memories of his childhood. The collection includes 120 works of the poet. Getting acquainted with these poems of Tукай, readers will not only enjoy his poetic revelations, but also find answers to the crucial questions that today's life poses to us. Gabdullы Tукaya created a national classical style of poetry and folk basis. This was of lasting importance for the further development of not only poetry, but also the entire Tatar literature. He was the first to open the way to the national poetry of the traditions of Russian and European classics. The creativity of Gabdullы Tукaya still doesn't lose its effective power, being an integral part of the world cultural heritage. His works have been translated into many languages and are widely known in our country and abroad.